This is just a really quick video. Wanted to show this bizarre, weird Hitachi VCR because I didn't really find much out there about it. It's kind of a typical 80s Hitachi, super wide, super deep. The only difference is this is a detachable remote. And also, it's the only place where the controls are. So this is similar. I think there's a JVC that has a remote along the front as well that your controls detach. I don't like this idea because, well, in this instance, the battery compartment, someone left batteries in it. They got corroded. I had to clean that up. Someone spilled gunk in here, so these buttons were pushing down randomly, and I had to clean all that out. And if this was lost, well then, in the 80s, it's ruined. I mean, now we have universal remotes. I was able to grab a different Hitachi remote and use that. Sort of. But yeah, other than that, it just needed a head cleaning. And it's got a bit of a noisy motor, but I mean, I've been finding a lot of Hitachis do that, so I'll take a quick demonstration of this. There's normally a door that goes here, covers all your controls. Your tuner has the normal select that a lot of RCAs and Hitachis of the time had. So you go select, channel 4, set to VHF low. I'm not going to change this one because I'm using it. Let's go to channel 5, so you can select the band, VHF low, VHF high, cable, and UHF. Then you hold down the search up and down buttons to scan through. If you want to skip the channel, like I am right now, hit skip and it'll mute it. And this turns automatic fine control on and off. And then you're done. So I can go to a channel that's there, input, I'm on tuner, pop that out and it goes to the auxiliary in. There's really no indicator that I've done that. It's just a push in, push out switch. I guess the indicator is that piece of red there. Alright, tracking, tape speed. This is programming for your clock and timer. The interesting thing is all the controls are on here because this is the remote, so there's no missing functionality. Your counter reset. IRT, I believe, is one of those instant record things. I don't know, I haven't tried it. Clock for setting the clock, programming. It has a power button here, and it's got a power button there. So at least if you lose the remote, you can power it on. But interestingly enough, if you lose the remote, this isn't new enough to automatically play tapes with the record tab removed. So you're still screwed. So I pop the shield off. Here's just a quick look inside. Standard 2 heads. Pinch roller is nice and soft, actually. That's very good. And yeah, grease is there. Could probably do with re-greasing. I'll probably do that. Heads were definitely dirty. There was almost no picture, but they cleaned up nicely. So I hit play. Yeah, that grease could stand to be cleaned.
Being named the PGA Tour's 18 toughest holes.
And pause. Your 2-head pause. Here's the... Turn the volume down. Here's the noise I was talking about in this motor. You can hear the bearings sing a little bit. But, I mean, it still works. I've had other machines that have been loud like that and they still work fine. It's probably got life left in it. Tried to sneak a bit of oil in around the edge, but yeah, this is a hard motor to try and get any oil inside. Don't know how well that'll end up working. And yeah. Rewind. Pretty standard. And the underside. This half is a circuit board underneath the power supply and everything that was above there. And of course you have access to the underside of the mechanism. This is the motor in question, which drives both the capstan as well as this down here. So if I go and hit play, this motor loads up the two things, you know, words. And where's stop? There's stop. Do fast forward. So it's interesting, this doesn't make any noise in fast forward or rewind. So maybe I'm wrong about where the bearing is that's squealing. Let's try something here. Stop, play. Oh, no, it's coming from over here. I thought I felt it over here. Oh no, it is here. If I hit stop, I wonder if this is just under more load when it's this capstan is actually driving something rather than just free spinning. Not sure. There you go, belts are all in good shape. I'm going to assume the mode switch is in good shape because it's been acting just fine. These guys are good. Yeah, that was just a quick little video of this guy. For those counting, this does have nice handles on the side. So yeah, that's it. Just a quick little video.